Imagine a globe. Now picture lines circling the Earth running east to west. These are lines of latitude. They tell us how far a place is from the equator, the imaginary line that circles the Earth at its widest point. Latitude is important because it affects how much sunlight a place receives. This influences climate, and climate plays a big role in shaping how people live. Think about it. The way we dress, the food we eat, even the activities we enjoy are often tied to the climate we live in, and climate is directly related to latitude. From the tropics near the equator to the icy poles, latitude creates a world of different environments, each with its own unique influence on human behavior. Near the equator, the sun shines almost directly overhead. This creates a hot climate with little variation throughout the year. Days and nights are roughly equal in length. As you move away from the equator, the sun's rays hit the Earth at a slant. This results in cooler temperatures and distinct seasons. Countries farther from the equator experience shorter days in winter and longer days in summer. Climate has a profound impact on what people can grow, the clothes they wear and the shelters they build. It also influences their daily routines and activities. In tropical regions, life often revolves around avoiding the midday heat. People might take a break from work during the hottest hours and enjoy a siesta. In contrast, people living in higher latitudes experience long, cold winters. They spend more time indoors, and their daily routines are shaped by the limited daylight hours. These differences in daily routines are a direct result of the varying amounts of sunlight received at different latitudes. Many cultures celebrate festivals tied to the seasons, which are determined by latitude. Near the equator, where seasons are less pronounced, festivals might revolve around religious events or historical commemorations. In higher latitudes, festivals often mark the changing seasons. Think of harvest festivals in autumn or celebrations of the winter solstice. These festivals reflect the close relationship between latitude, climate, and cultural practices. Section 5. Time is relative. Work and play across latitudes. Work patterns also vary with latitude. In agricultural societies near the equator, work might be spread throughout the day with breaks during the hottest hours. In higher latitudes, with shorter growing seasons, work might be more intense and concentrated during the warmer months. Leisure activities also reflect latitude's influence. People in sunny climates might spend more time outdoors, while those in colder regions might favor indoor pursuits. Section 6. The midnight sun and the polar night life at the extremes. Life at extreme latitudes presents unique challenges. In polar regions, people experience long periods of continuous daylight in summer and continuous darkness in winter. These extreme conditions can impact sleep patterns, mood, and even physical health. People living in these areas have developed unique ways to cope with these challenges. The extremes of the Arctic and Antarctic highlight the profound impact latitude can have on human adaptation and resilience. Section 7. Latitude's influence, not just what we do, but who we are. Latitude's influence extends beyond our outward behaviors. Some researchers believe it might even play a role in shaping certain personality traits. For example, people living in warmer climates might tend to be more extroverted and sociable, while those in colder climates might be more introverted and reserved. While more research is needed, exploring these potential links between latitude and personality is fascinating. Section 8. Surprising discoveries, latitude and unexpected connections. Latitude's influence can be seen in unexpected places. For instance, some studies suggest a correlation between latitude and economic development. Countries farther from the equator tend to have higher average incomes than those closer to the equator. This could be due to a variety of factors, including historical advantages and climate's impact on productivity. These findings highlight the complex interplay between geography, climate, and human development. Section 9. A world of difference, appreciating latitude's impact. Latitude is more than just a line on a map. It's a powerful force that shapes our world, influencing everything from the clothes we wear to the festivals we celebrate. Understanding how latitude influences human behavior helps us appreciate the diversity of cultures and lifestyles across our planet. It reminds us that we are all products of our environment, shaped by the unique conditions of the places we call home. As we continue to explore our world, let's remember the profound influence of latitude, a silent architect shaping human behavior in countless ways.